Good evening, welcome back to In the Khud. This is August 25th, 2022, 8:44 p.m. and just like 20 minutes or so before recording this, I feel there's been a divine intervention. I mean, I'm not romanticizing it a bit, or maybe I am, but it just makes a lot of sense in my mind that there is a divine intervention here. The reason for that is all of a sudden the entire moving meditations thing that I wanted to do is just kind of manifesting itself in front of me without like any major effort from my side. And I'll get to that in a moment before I just discuss the whole day today. So today I haven't written anything in Notion for a change because I did not feel like there was a need to. In the morning, okay, let me start from there. In the morning it did start from Blender, that's why. Yep. Nice. So it's kind of funny. So I woke up at 7:30 today. I did not wake up at 5:30. I slept for extra additional 2 hours because like massive headache. At 7:30 I was kind of confused what to do because like if I would just continue I would feel sleepy. But then like I got the strength and I took Snowy down, came back up, and I thought like I should do something for the moving meditations challenge. I tried opening Cubic Worlds to see the rigged part where you just rig the character and do it, but it wasn't working. Like the server was down for some reason. But this is a kind of progress here that I have done is like I tried to basically make myself in the Cubic World scene looking very weird. I have to probably do something better for this, but like this is what I was doing for the first half. Then the work day started and I spent the entire day in After Effects making this video. So this video has gone through. Yeah, this is the things that I've done. I think, yeah, if you see these balloons here, they'll burst. So this balloon burst animation, I did watch Ben Marriott's Shattering Glass. And basically what is happening is there is you select one comp, okay, you draw a mask like this on it, duplicate that comp, and then just drag one edge of the mask to the other side, and duplicate that and drag this edge to this side, drag this edge to this side, and then just give them position keyframes and opacity keyframes. I could probably have a script for this if I want to just radially burst something out. We'll probably have to figure two things. One is that the layer itself, what are the layer bounds which you can get through source vector time, and then the position has to be like a multiple beyond, like the position keyframes over time have to be a multiple beyond that bounds of the layer. Yep. I made this loading bar. So here you see this loading UI animation. Surprisingly, it took me some time to figure it. It shouldn't have. Basically all there is there is a rounded rectangle, and rounded rectangles path has been animated. So convert that rounded rectangle to Bezier paths. Select paths like these and animate this from here to here, and then these are just offset. So I was trying to do it through repeaters like a smart way without having these additional layers, but apparently in repeaters you can't offset position like this, or maybe you can. This is like an easier way to do it. That was for After Effects. The whole day majorly went in this. It was pretty quiet like as far as my input is concerned from the full-time job today. Now getting to the divine intervention part, I came across this website because of one gentleman, very kind, called Avatar SDK. And basically what this website does is it gives you an option to just upload an image, and then it gives you a 3D model of that image, which is like woof, and it's free. So I just like took a chance and put the Adi Yogi statue in here. The resulting thing was, let me show. The resulting thing was a little different than this, right? It wasn't like this exactly. It was a great starting point, and even right now it's not looking, of course it did not come with all these white things. I modeled these myself, but it looks a lot for a starting point. This is amazing. Like from here, if you want to go and like sculpt it and make it look like your reference, you are almost 70% done. And because for me to even reach this point by myself in sculpting is like, I don't know how to do it. It's just, you can just sit and mess around with the sculpting tools and never get to a point where it looks like this. So I did use like the clay brush and add a bit of like a chiseled jaw, because it looks like a chiseled jaw, but I know it's still far from how the reference looks, but it is still good. Like I'm happy with how it looks. And the reason where my mind blew is when I opened this thing here, the starter thing, and then now this is rendering in cycles. Okay, this is the camera view. If I'm just playing this, okay, it's taking a toll, but I think maybe because I'm recording, that's why it's taking a toll. But anyway, this like right now, this is where I'm like, okay, this is divine intervention. I've added an HDR in the background. Of course, I have to do something for that. I watched another tutorial where you can add landmasses straight inside Blender. It's a Blender add-on you can use. So I can have mountains behind and I can have snow falling. It's very simple to make snow simulations in Blender. So I'm thinking about having snowfalls here. This character here, I will have to spend some time making my own character, which should be doable. I'm not too stressed about it. I might just use that Avatar SDK, put my image there and do something for that. That's fine. Yeah, like me doing that thing. And then what I'm trying to do is this whole situation, I could just render it out like this as well, like person doing those meditation things in front of the Adi Yogi statue, because nobody, I don't think, maybe there are Indians who are doing this challenge who would have thought about something like this, but I haven't seen any such render come out. So this is amazing. Like if I could just render it like this as well, and that would be nice. But I want to add my own element to it, where I was thinking about this is my representation of my work through the day, so how it starts and how it ends. I'll probably have to switch clothes there. I was thinking about you wake up in your night suit and then you come to your normal t-shirt and shorts because work from home. Go and work out. The elements change. Like in the morning it's the alarm clock and maybe the meditation mat or something. Then it's like, of course, in the work day there is messages and calls and WhatsApp and Gmail and icons like those. It's just popping around because we just have 6 seconds. Like that is very essential. Like I need to tell a story through this 6-second thing, and for the first time someone's gonna watch this 6-second video and they're gonna make sense of what it is, but I know what it is. It's very easy for me to not take credit for anything. Like even this frame right here, a year back I would have no idea how to do it, but because I spent an entire year in Blender trying to do courses and like figure things out, like I'm in a position where I can just even get to this frame. So yeah, it's just amazing, and I have hit 10 minutes. I'm screwed. This divine intervention, I'm so happy for it, and now I feel like I'm on track to submit it. The only thing is I don't know why I wasn't able to open the submission link on the Discord. It's showing some sort of error. No, I don't know how Discord works. So hey, the submission link is not opening. It shows some server error. Can you help? Please help. Thanks. Thank you so much for being in the khud and experiencing this kind of divine intervention with me. Really looking forward and excited to how the moving meditation challenge video comes out, because it's just so much fun. Like it's so much so exciting. I'm just like super excited for it. Let's see how it goes. Thanks so much for being in the khud. I will talk to you tomorrow. Peace.